friends, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making salad Olivier. And this is all we are going to use it for today's salad. We will start cutting the beef in nice small pieces. Put all the beef in the pot and start cooking it. Okay, now we will start cutting the carrots in small tiny pieces. Put the carrots in the pot and start cooking, exactly like the beef.
Are you guys cooking again? This smells good. Wait a minute. I need to see what's going on down there. You guys wasting food again? I'm tired. Oh my God, you guys wasting my time. Just let me know when the food is ready. Wait, is it ready? Sweet Jesus or those green beans? Those are really my favorite. I hope I can get some.
Now we will put all the green beans inside the bowl. Let's cut the eggs in small pieces. As soon as you're done cutting them, put them inside the bowl.
Wait a minute. Are you wearing the same clothes that I am wearing? Are you trying to match me, aren't you? I'm talking to you. Can you hear me? Don't pretend like you don't hear me.
Let's cut the pickles and put them inside the bowl.
Mom, please, don't put everything inside the bowl.
Gucci, whatever. It's on the floor, you cannot eat it.
Oh no, what are you doing? That was mine. People, please write in the comments so she can start feeding me whatever she's making. Lady, you'd better start feeding me.
Okay, let's put the pickles inside the bowl. Okay, now the carrots are ready. Make sure you put them in the cold water, because if you don't, they will be smashy. After they're nice and cold, put them inside the bowl. we're gonna move to all potatoes. Cut them in small pieces. Then we will put them in the pot for cooking. Now we're going to cook them really good.
Finally, I got something.
After we're done cooking the beef, we're gonna put them inside the bowl. Then we will move to our yellow, orange, green pepper. Cut them all in small pieces. Now we will move to our green one. Make sure to clean the stuff from inside, we don't need those.
Hey, young lady, can I get some meat, please? What is this? Are you serious? Better than nothing. Trying to match with me and don't give me any meat.
Our potatoes are ready. Like the carrots, we're gonna put them in the cold water so they don't get smashy. Let's put everything inside the bowl. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so delicious. Leave me a comment. Let me know, what do you guys think about the salad? Now it's time for our cilantros. Again, cut them in small, nicely pieces and mix it with the other ones in the bowl. Let's add some seasonings. Black pepper, crushed red pepper, and some salt, mayonnaise. Some people adding sour cream with the mayonnaise, but today I'm just going to stick to mayonnaise. Sour cream is optional. Olive oil, now let's mix it really good. Our salad, it's ready.
Oh no, that wasn't me. I'm wondering if they heard it. Did you guys hear it?
Come on guys, don't forget to subscribe. Give us a like and hit the notification bell. For you guys, it's free, but it means a lot for us. Thank you.